Hello traders, and welcome to this NinjaTrader 8 features video. In this video we're going to go over the playback features in NinjaTrader. Some of the things that we're going to go ahead and cover is downloading market replay data, setting up for playback, and working with market replay data. As a reminder, trading does carry significant risk, and all information in this video is provided for educational purposes only and is not an offer or recommendation to trade futures, stocks, options, or Forex. To access market replay data, first make sure that you are connected to your broker so you can have your data and historical data there and load it into NinjaTrader. But next you want to go into Tools and go into Historical Data. You want to go ahead and go to Market Replay. And I do have some markets here, but what you're going to do next is go to Load, go to Get Market Replay Data, go ahead and click on Select, and then go ahead and select which market that you want to go ahead and download market replay data for. Select the date that you want to go ahead and select the market replay data, and then download. If you want to use multiple days, what you're going to go ahead and do is then, once this is done, select the next date and then download once again. So I'll go ahead and select another date here. Once that's done, go ahead and click the X button, close that window, and now you can go ahead and disconnect, and you will have to disconnect from any brokers. Now go ahead and open up a new chart. With a new chart open, go ahead and access your control panel here once again and select Playback Connection. It'll go ahead and instantly connect and start loading the data here, and just wait for that process to go ahead and complete. Now market replay will allow you to go ahead and replay data by putting orders into the market and taking orders out, moving orders around, so you can go ahead and replay that live data from whatever days that you selected. Now you'll notice here that you'll have market replay and historical data. Historical data is just data that's on your PC. So if the data is already there on your machine, you can go ahead and select historical. And as you can see here, it's generally less accurate than using market replay, and there's no level 2 data, market depth data in this mode. Go ahead and hit OK if you'd like. But we're going to go ahead and reselect market replay here once again. With market replay reselected, now you can go ahead and select the dates, start date from which you downloaded the data from to the end date here. You can just simply left click off to the side of the chart. I'll go ahead and reload that data here. At this point you also have the option of right clicking in the window. Go to Show Available Data. It'll bring up this window so you can see all the data that you have downloaded here for whatever market that you downloaded it for. I'm going to go ahead and hit X to back out of this window. You also have the option of right-clicking and selecting Go To, and you can pick a specific date and a specific time that you want the market replay to go ahead and start at and trade from. I'm going to go ahead and just hit Cancel for now. Now with the market replay ready to go ahead and hit Play. On the right-hand side, you'll see this 1x is just the speed of the market. You can see the market moving here. You can go ahead and increase or decrease the speed here. It can go all the way up to maximum, so it goes 50 times speed, 100 times, or 500 times, or 1,000, or max. And it'll go as fast as your computer can load the data. You can see at this point here, we're skipping multiple minutes to go ahead and load data here on the chart. Again, you can always slow it down simply by pressing this down button. You can also use NinjaTrader to go ahead and add orders here into the market and trade it just like you would a live session. If you ever decide you want to deposit, go ahead and hit pause. You can use the slider to go ahead and drag forward or back to a specific time, but please note, if you're tracking your orders, and let's say you're trading a live session here, or replaying a live session, and you want to see the data and your trades over that time period, every time you go to a certain time period or slide the slider over, it'll go ahead and reset the data every single time. So again, just remember, before you slide the data, if you're okay with losing any trade data that you've traded over that session, go ahead and do that. If not, then just go ahead and fast forward to that point in time that you want to go ahead and trade. Now, if you want to back up, you will have to bring the slider back or use this go to function to go ahead and find that date and time, and you will lose the trade data there as well.